Hello and good evening, everyone. Welcome to DMA Daily Market Analysis. I'm Dev Bushirai. Today we'll be seeing what are the actions of today's market. So Nifty closed around 17,805. Over the past few days, we have seen a huge upside in the market due to followed up buying of FIIs. We can see huge upside in the market, huge strong bullish momentum coming again in the market. So Nifty closed 17,805.25 points at gaining a point of 180 points, nearly about 80 points. Nifty Bank closed around 36,840 with a gain of 418 points, and Nifty Financial Services gained with a 1.19% gain, right? So looking at Nifty today was around 17,805 points, but the high was around 17,827 points. So as you can see, it almost closed around its highs. Talking about advances and declines, we can see the number of advances were more than the number of declines. That means market pullers for the upside were much more, were almost double, more than double than the declines which are trying to pull the market in the downside. So advances were 35 and declines were 15. So looking at top gainers and losers list, NTPC gained the most with a 5.16% change, followed by ONGC, SBI, and Power Grid, Reliance. So we can see the sectors which are PSU sectors are doing pretty much good in this market, and the dip came in Tata Motors, Coal India, Tata Consumers, Sun Pharma, Sri Cements. These are the top losers of the market. We can see the top loser of the market was Tata Motors with a 1.66% change, negative 1.66% change. That was not very large. I think probably this dip came after few days of success, gain in succession, right? So let's look at the charts of Nifty and Bank Nifty individually, and let's try to analyze what are the price actions telling us. So looking at Nifty, looks pretty good, pretty much bullish. Today it made a day high around 17,740, around 12:40 p.m. But after that, the market went down, and then the buying came in the second half also at around 13:45. That means 1:45 p.m. Buying came, and it almost closed at day's high. Uh, this shows the power of bullishness in the market. If we look into the daily candle of Nifty also, then we can see a huge bullish candle forming here, and we can see that it testing the supports also. After testing the supports today, it went up. So it shows the power of bullishness of the market. Here you can see this was the resistance for some time, acting as a resistance, now acting as a support at right at 17,580 levels, around 17,500 to 600 levels. So this acting as today's support, and the market is going up from here, right? So we can see 3 days succession in the bullishness of the market. We can also see the bullishness in the Bank Nifty, but relatively today Nifty performed well. You can see that the percentage of gain is in Bank Nifty is 1.15%, but according to the price action, we can see that Bank Nifty is getting resistance at 36,886 levels. That means 36,900, 37,000 levels, right? So it did not close at a day high like Nifty did, but looking at the daily chart, daily candle also, we can see that huge bullishness coming at Bank Nifty also after a correction rally which came. We can see 3 days to 4 days of succession buying in Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty entering into this box. Probably Bank Nifty will stay in this box between 36,688 to 37,529 levels for few days before resuming a move again. But it can do otherwise also, can directly move upwards, but a timely or price correction is needed for a sustainable up move also. So for getting a sustainable up move, we could see a bit correction after 3 days rally in the market. But FIIs are still buying, as you can see. FIIs are still buying. This is the data for 4th Jan, that is for today. They are still in the buying interest with 1,273 crores cash buying, and DIs are buying also, and the retailers are buying. As you can see, numbers of Nifty and Bank Nifty showing that the retailers are buying also in the market. So and let's look into the Dow futures. Dow futures is also up, so we can probably assume that there will be a gap up opening for tomorrow also. Might be the gap might be a little less than today, but we can probably if the Dow maintains its levels and Dow Jones does well tonight, then we can see a gap up opening tomorrow also. Probably Bank Nifty would test 37,000 levels tomorrow. So let's see how Nifty and Bank Nifty behaves. Bank Nifty is the highest puller of this market. It's pulling Nifty along with it. So let's see how these things work out for tomorrow. Thank you from my side. Keep watching this channel and do subscribe. Thank you.